Okay, so on the 1954 International Harvester, we have a Holley 1904 carburetor. Due to the way it's running, we feel it's probably in the best interest to do a quick rebuild on the carburetor. Uh, Jamie or I have never really done a proper rebuild, so we figured this would be a perfect time. In doing so, we thought, boy, it'd really be neat. The Holley 1904 did have an option where you can get a glass front, which would just look really neat on the truck. So purchased one off eBay. It does have the clips over here. Um, and the original intent was we were going to build the one that was going to go back on the truck with the glass front. But at the same time, I was going to do one, Jamie was going to do one. We hadn't decided who would do the glass, who wouldn't. Didn't feel that would actually be fair. So we decided to rebuild two carburetors. Now we had one that came with a previous truck, but the linkage is broken. So looked online, found two carburetors for $20. This one is actually a working carburetor. It was in use, but it has the automatic choke, which won't do anything for us. But it's nice to always have spare parts. So today came in the second carburetor with the glass bowl. So each of us will have a glass bowl carburetor. Here comes the hope that this one did in fact arrive safely, because lately USPS has been a little rough on packages. When they shipped the first glass bowl, they actually shipped it so rough that the whole box was crushed and they broke the automatic choke lever, which was very disappointing because I wanted to save that for the possibility of a future project. Luckily, one of these other carburetors have that lever. Plastic bags, state of New Jersey. I'm well stocked now. Oh, this one's a nice filthy wreck.
Oh, that is disgusting.
This one will be Jamie's. Ah,
We're cleaning these first.
and there we go.
But look at that glass bowl.
And there we go. Two glass bowls. We actually have a third one in the wings that might become a lamp project. And that's that. Future project on Second Chance Garage.